Welcome to the session of Maths for Standard 8, chapter number 1. The topic is representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay, my friends. Earlier in earlier standards, you have learned to represent natural numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite on the number line. Whole numbers, so including 0, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinite, and integers including negative numbers. So all these numbers you have learned to represent on a number line. My friends, can you tell me how many numbers are there between 1 and 4? How many natural numbers are there between 1 and 4? Certainly 2 and 3. Okay. How many integers are there between 1 and minus 3? Certainly 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now you have learned to represent these numbers on the number line, and you can easily represent these numbers. But now we have to learn to represent rational numbers on the number line. So rational numbers, let us start representing rational numbers 3 by 8. So represent 3 by 8 on the number line. Okay, my friends. Now you know that 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. The numerator is smaller than the denominator, then the given one is a proper fraction. Now it's a positive, so it lies between 0 and 1. So let us start with 0 to the left hand, and 1 should be there to the right hand side of it. Okay. Now my friends, how to represent? Look at the denominator. Look at the denominator. It is 8. Now you have to divide the first unit between the distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Denominator being 8, you have to divide the first unit, means between 0 and 1, into 8 equal parts. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 equal parts. This is 1. Okay, 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have divided the first unit, positive side, into 8 equal parts. Now look at that. Denominator is 8. Now label the first end of the first part as 1 by 8. Okay. Now again to the second part, end of the second part is 2 by 8. 3, this one is 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, and this one is rather 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Now look at it. Our number 3 by 8 is here. Okay. Our number 3 by 8 is here. So this is how you can represent the given number. Looking at the denominator, divide the unit. It's a first unit. The distance between the 0 and 1 to be divided into 8 equal parts, and third of them, numerator being the third of them will be our this point will represent the number 3 by 8. Okay. Now second one. Represent minus 7 by 4 on the number line. Okay. So first of all, it's a negative number. So it will be to the left hand side of 0. Moreover, minus 7 by 4 is equal to divide 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 8s are 3. So it's equal to minus 1 whole 3 by 4. Okay, minus 1 whole 3 by 4. So number lies between minus 1 and the next one is minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. So negative number being to the left hand side of 0 and lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. So it's a 0. Now going toward the left hand side. Now what we have to do? Divide. So the denominator is 4. So divide the first unit, 1 unit, distance of 1 unit into 4 equal parts. It's a 1, 2, 3 and 4. That will be the first unit from 0 to here. It's a first unit and divided into 4 equal parts. Also the second one between minus 1 and minus 2 also to be divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be minus 2. Okay. Now start giving labels. So this one is divided into 4 equal parts. So this one will be minus 1 by 4. This is minus 2 by 4. This is minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 4 will represent minus 1. It's a minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4 and minus 8 upon 4. So minus 8 upon 4 will represent minus 1. Now find out where our number is. Minus 7 by 4. Here it is. Okay. So this is how you can represent your rational number on a number line. May be positive. If it is positive, it will be to the right hand side of 0. If the number to be represented is negative, then it will be to the left hand side of the 0 mark. And this count will start to the left hand side of 0 mark. Okay, very good. Okay, exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. Okay, so we have to represent, as per question number 1, we have to represent minus 7 by 4 on one number line and then minus 5 by 6 on the other number line. Okay. Now, as we have done that, first of all, if the given number, rational number is an improper fraction, this one is an improper fraction. Why? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will try whether between which two integers does it lie. Okay, so 7 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, its remainder is 3, so it will be 1 or 3 by 4. So lies between 1 and 2, 1 here and 1 and 2. So this number 7 by 4 lies between 1 and 2. Okay. So it's a positive number. So it will be to the right hand side of 0. So we'll start with keeping labeling 0 to the left hand side. Okay. Now look at it. the denominator is 4. So each consecutive unit will be divided into 4 equal parts. Look at it. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be 1, rather positive 1. Okay. Then again 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be 2. Okay. So 0, 1 and 2 being 4 as a denominator, each unit will be divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once again, the number lies between 1 and 2. So we have to keep the record up to 2. So when this 1 to 2, this unit also divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now start giving levels. Here it is 1 by 4. This one is 2 by 4. This one is 3 upon 4. This one is 4 upon 4. So 4 upon 4 represents number 1. Now again here it is a 5 upon 4. This one 6 upon 4. This one is 7 upon 4. And this one is 8 upon 4, which represents number 2. Okay. So 7 upon 4 is the number that we are looking for. So this is our number to be represented. Okay. Now this one, minus 5 upon 6. Now this one is an proper fraction and it's a negative number. So being proper fraction and negative number, it lies between 0 and minus 1. It's a negative number. Moreover, it's a proper fraction. So lies between 0 and minus 1. So it being a negative number, we have to start with 0 to the right hand side and go to the left hand side. Okay. So here we will start with 0. Okay. Now look at the denominator. It's a 6. So first unit between the numbers between 0 and minus 1 will be divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, start. This one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be minus 1. Okay, it will be minus 1. Now start giving labels. So the first will be labeled as minus 1 upon 6. So 6 is the denominator. So the first number will be minus 1 upon 6. The second minus 2 upon 6. This is minus 3 upon 6. This one is minus 4 upon 6. This one is minus 5 upon 6. And this one is minus 6 upon 6, which represents 1. So our number minus 5 upon 6 is here, and this is our number to be represented. Okay. Now move to question number 2. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, and minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. So we will represent all the 3 numbers simultaneously on the same number line. Okay. Now all the 3 are improper fractions. So all the 3 lie between 0 and minus 1. So all the 3 are negative, means it lie to the left hand side of 0. Okay, and being an proper fraction, they lie between 0 and minus 1. Okay, so we will start. Okay, labeling 0 to the right hand and will go to the left hand side. Okay, now look at it. 11 is there. So the first unit means the distance between 0 and -1 is divided into 11 equal parts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So the 11th part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The 11th part will represent -1. Okay. Now start labeling -1 by 11 to the first point to the left hand side of 0. So this is -1, 2 by 11, -3 upon 11, -4 upon 11, -5 upon 11, -6 upon 11, -7 upon 11, -8 upon 11, -9 upon 11, -10 upon 11, and this number is -11 upon 11 represents -1. Now look at our numbers. First one is -2 by 11. Here is our number. Okay. Then -5 upon 11 and -9 upon 11. So these are our numbers. So this is all about the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay. Now our new topic is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. So we have to insert given number of numbers in between given two numbers, given two rational numbers. My friends, look at it. How many numbers, how many natural numbers are there between 1 and 5? Certainly 2, 3 and 4. How many numbers between 2 and -4? There are 1, 0, -1, -2 and -3. So you can easily give the answer about integers if you are asked. So how many integers are there between given two integers? You can easily give the answer just by counting on a number line. But my friend, how many numbers are there? Are there between 2 and 3? 2 and 3. And for that, you have to give the answer. 2 is equal to 20 upon 10 and 3 is equal to 30 upon 10. Now you can say that now there are 21 upon 10, 22 upon 10, just like 29 upon 10. So there are 9 numbers. So these numbers are not natural integers. They are rational numbers. So there are 9 such numbers which lie between 2 and 3. Are you confirmed that only these 9 numbers lie between 2 and 3? Certainly not. My friend, look at it. 2 can be written as 200 divided by 100 and 3s and 3s, 300 divided by 100. Now there are more numbers. There are 201 upon 100, 202 upon 100, 203 upon 100, up to 299 upon 100. And the next is 300 upon 100. So as many as 99 numbers are there between 2 and 3. So you can say that there are infinite number of numbers do lie between any two given numbers. कोई भी दो नंबर आपको दिए जाते हैं, उसके बीच कितने नंबर्स होते हैं, कितने रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं, इनफाइनाइट। हम उसमें बहुत ज्यादा नंबर्स इसमें लिख सकते हैं। देखो 2 कैन बी रिटन एज 20,000 and 3 can be written as 30,000. 2 can be written as 20,000 divided by 10,000 and 3 can be written as 30,000 divided by 10,000. So there are 9,999 numbers you can write between 2 and 3. So you can write infinite number of numbers between any two given numbers. Okay. Now we have to fix or insert given number of numbers between any two given numbers. Okay, so we will start with question number 3, exercise 1.2, question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, so smaller than 2 might be positive or might be negative. You can write it's look at it. You can write it's smaller than 2. So it may be starting with 1, then 0, then -1, then -2, then -3. 5 rational numbers can be written like this because all these numbers, all these integers are also a rational number. But here you can also write that -1/2. Okay, here is you can also write that it's a 1, 1/3, 0, -1/2, -2/3, -2, something like that. So it must be smaller than 2. You can write any number, may it be integer or may it be fractional number, but each number, every number should be smaller than 2. So we have, these are the numbers smaller than 2. Okay, now question number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/3. Okay, my friends. We want to insert 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So these are the two numbers between which we want to insert 10 rational numbers. And for that matter, the denominator of the both the number must be same, common denominator. So convert both of them into common denominator. See, 5 and 2. So the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we have to convert those numbers having 10 as a denominator. So minus 2 upon 5 will be multiplied and divided by 2 upon 2, because minus 5 required to be multiplied by 2. So the numerator should also be multiplied by 2. It's a minus 4 upon 10. Okay, and this one 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is required to be multiplied by 5 divided by 5. It's a 5 upon 10. Now my friends, minus 4 and 5. Be sure the gap between numerator is 10 or not. 10 unit or not. Yes, it is so. If it is not, then still we have to multiply to create a gap of 10 between the numerators. When the denominators are common, means same, we have to be sure whether the gap or the difference between the numerator of both the numbers is given number or not. 10. So do minus 4 and 5 have the difference of 10 more than 10? It should be 11. So 5, there is a distance of 11. There must be an 11 difference of 11 between the numerator of both the number, and it is so. If it is not, then still we have to multiply by the suitable number. Okay. Now the 10 numbers, the numbers between minus 5 by minus 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10. It's a 0, it's 1 upon 10, it's 2 upon 10, it's 3 upon 10, it's 4 upon 10. Okay, now count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See the difference between two given numbers is not the 10. Okay, so we have to multiply those numbers with again. So the gap between these two is of 8 numbers. So we have to multiply it by 2 upon 2. It will be minus 8 upon 20, and here it is 10 upon 20. So minus 8 upon 20 minus 10 upon 20. So now we can write it's a minus 7 by 10 minus 6 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 minus 2 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10. It's 0. It's 1 upon 10. It's a 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, and 9 upon 10. So this list contains more than 10 numbers. We can consider any 10 of them. So उसमें से कोई भी 10 नंबर को हम कंसीडर करके लिख सकते हैं. आई बात समझ में? ओके. Okay, one rectification is that, see, this number is not between, not starts with minus 7 by 10. Here it is minus 8 by 20. So all this number will be the denominator of all these numbers are 20 and not 10. Okay, so minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 22, minus plus 9 by 20. So we can consider any 10 of them. Okay,